What if I told you there's a Faceless YouTube channel that launched just 1 month ago, and today it's already pulling in over 800,000 views and almost 10,000 subscribers, all while making more than $2,000 per month in pure ad revenue? Here's the crazy part. These videos are created entirely with AI, and each one takes less than 15 minutes to make. Their very first video, it exploded. Over 190,000 views in a single month. And now, every upload racks up thousands and thousands of views, like clockwork. So, what's their secret? You might think it's some complicated editing trick or some advanced strategy, but their most viral upload is literally just AI-generated images, paired with a simple voiceover. Sounds easy to replicate, right? Well, it is. But here's the catch. If you skip even one step, your results could be completely different. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create videos just like this, step by step, using only free tools. And before we dive into the tutorial, let me show you a quick preview of what we're going to build today.
When the Cold War first loomed over the United States, the shadow of nuclear annihilation felt both sudden and absolute. Sirens, drills, and grim government pamphlets urged families to imagine the unimaginable. A flash on the horizon, followed by a shockwave of fire, debris, and radiation. The message was simple. Civil defense meant survival, and survival, many believed, meant bunkers.
It all starts with one powerful ChatGPT prompt. You'll find it linked in the Google Doc down in the description. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more YouTube automation tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT 5. Copy the first prompt. Paste in the prompt from the Google Doc and hit enter. But here's the thing. To get the best results, ChatGPT needs real YouTube data to analyze. So head over to the Safety Zone channel I showed you earlier, and I'm using the VidIQ Chrome extension for this step. Click the 3 little dots. Select CSV Export. In just a few seconds, you'll have the entire channel's data downloaded to the CSV file. This file is gold. It has video titles, descriptions, durations, published dates, likes, and comments. Exactly the kind of proven content you want to train ChatGPT 5 with if you're serious about building a faceless channel. Now upload that CSV into ChatGPT 5. It will instantly start analyzing the data, which means we're training it with content that's already working in this niche. But we're not stopping here. We've trained it with titles and descriptions. Now we're going to train it with script writing style, the style that really connects with this audience. Open any video from the channel, scroll to the description, click the transcript button. From the menu, choose toggle timestamps, then copy the entire text. Paste each script into ChatGPT 5. Make sure to number them as you go. You'll see ChatGPT instantly run a deep analysis. It learns the tone, the pacing, and the delivery from the original creator. And then it can generate a brand new script, written in the exact style of the faceless channel you're modeling. But we're not done. Using that same script, we're going to ask ChatGPT 5 to create highly detailed image prompts that match the channel's visual style. Copy the AI image prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit enter. Then ChatGPT will ask, please paste the first chunk of your YouTube script. Paste in the script we created earlier. Click enter, and ChatGPT gives you an optimized image prompt based on script ideas. Now let's create the images. There are many tools you can use, but for this demo, I generated everything directly inside ChatGPT 5. I pasted the first prompt, waited a few seconds, and got my first image, styled exactly like the channel we analyzed earlier. Then I repeated the process until I had all the visuals I needed. With visuals ready, let's create the sound design. Now let's talk voiceover. I use ElevenLabs because it offers a huge library of realistic voices. Inside ElevenLabs, go to the text-to-speech section. This is where ElevenLabs really shines. Once you've found the perfect voice, click Add to My Voices, then select Use Voice. From there, the platform will guide you straight to the text-to-speech area. This is where you paste in your script. Here's a tip from my personal workflow. Instead of pasting the full script at once, break it into smaller chunks. This helps ElevenLabs deliver better intonation, smoother pauses, and more natural modulation. All right, voiceover is ready. Now, let's move on to creating your very first video for your brand new faceless channel. You can use any video editing software you like, but personally, I use CapCut. My workflow is simple but powerful. I start by dragging all of my assets into the media section. Then I place each one onto the timeline. I number every asset in advance so I can stay organized. First, I add the background song to the timeline. Then I drop in the sound effect. and duplicate it several times until it covers the full length of the music. Next, I bring in the voiceover. Here's the key. I lower the volume of the music and sound effects. That way, the narration always stays clear. I promised you a fast and practical editing method, so here's how it works. I add each image to the timeline and set their duration to 5 seconds each. You'll see why this matters in just a moment. Once all my images are in place, I use the first one as my reference. I open the animation menu and apply the Zoom 1 effect. This gives me a look that matches the style of the channel we're replicating. Then I switch to the Effects tab and add the black noise effect. That adds a subtle, textured look. After that, I right-click the first image and select Copy Attributes. I highlight all the remaining images on the timeline, then right-click again and choose Paste Attributes. Since every image has the same 5-second duration, this ensures all of them share the exact same animation and effects without editing them one by one. Before exporting, I add captions. The channel we're modeling uses captions in a very engaging way, so we're going to mirror that. I select Captions, go to the Templates tab, and pick the same style you see here. And that's it. With everything in place, I export the final video in crisp 2K resolution, ready to upload. Now, if you're serious about building a channel in this niche, my advice is simple. Stick to the AI tools I've recommended. You don't need anything else. This will save you both time and money. And just as importantly, commit to one niche for at least 6 months. In that time, you could create 20 to 30 videos, and you should start to see real growth. Remember, you don't have to know everything when you start your YouTube channel. Most of what you need, you'll learn along the way by asking questions, testing ideas, and doing your own research. Finally, if you found this helpful, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.